Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your products from Shopify to Amazon, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can export your files as a CSV, and then you can import that CSV file into Amazon later. But the way you export your products is you go into the products page, and as you can see, you have the list of your products. I only have one test item over here, but that's going to be sufficient for this tutorial. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on export, and here you have a couple of options. You can either export from current page or all products, or you can select certain items to export from this page over here. And you also have the search option where you can search for the products and export the products that you search for, and then you can select whether you want it as a CSV for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, or plain CSV. I'm just going to select this for Excel and then click export products, and as you can see, it'll be emailed to your email address which you're using with your account, and then you can import that over to Amazon. Now, the other option you have, you can go into apps and search for Amazon. And as you can see, I have no results, so I'm going to go over into the store page, and you have a couple of apps here which can help. You have Said Commerce, and I'm pretty sure you have another app somewhere here, but I can't seem to find them. I'm pretty sure AutoDS might be useful as well, or yeah, rather it's Said Commerce and Lit Commerce, Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. These both work as integrations, and as you can see, you do have free plans available. So if you just go over here, click install, and then install it into your Shopify dashboard, you will be able to use it to integrate with Amazon. Now, keep in mind, you will need an Amazon seller account, which you'll then need to connect to the Said Commerce or any other app. So once you connect those two, you'll be able to use their functionalities to export your products over to Amazon. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.